Akiaria hindi ya guthurima wira uria urutitwo wa kazi mtaani, mutabariri wa mihang'o ya Mbeu njithi na muingi Rachael Shebesh augite ati Mbeu njithi nio maremereirwo kuriha ngombo ukiringithanio na atumia, kuona ni macihũthĩrire thutha wa kĩng'ũki gĩa COVID-19 kũgũmĩra bũrũri.
The youth themselves, and I have verified that anywhere where there is an issue of payment, it is not more than even 5% of the number of people who are being paid. So in a group of 100, like we saw somewhere, it was only 5. And they admitted that they wrote the wrong numbers.
No rĩu marĩ na ũndũ wa gwĩkenerera kuona president nĩ ararutire mwerekera wa atĩ mongererwo ihinda rĩa mĩeri 2 kana 3. Shebesh akiuga thirikari ĩgũthiĩ na mbere na kwerũhia ndukũ cia kũrĩha ngombo ici.
We had a meeting and the CS directed that throughout this COVID period, for as long as COVID remains as it is, because numbers are rising, we will give a grace period of 2 to 3 months, and we will keep reviewing it. Because already we've always been very good at how we allow women and youth to pay back money and pass on disability.
Kuringana na Shebesh, tabarĩra ya kazi mtaani nĩ hotithĩtie Mbeu njithi kwĩyũkĩrĩria gũkũ agĩkũmithia mũhuhu atĩ andũ matirarĩhwo, ũndũ ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ kamishna wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Naivasha.
I hear some of them today were saying they have fuliza. I will just tell them fuliza tena, but that is where we are going to send the money. We will send it directly to those funds so that there is no middleman between their money from us, from the government, to that young person.
You do recall you had a lot of cases of women being raped when they were going to work. And you know most of the people, our catchment for the workers in flower farms and other areas were from this informal settlement. Now you can see the bushes are cleared. Women are very comfortable, they can even come a bit late without fearing that they are going to be ambushed.
Na pia tumepata mahali vijana watakuwa wanacheza mpira. Baada ya hii kazi tukishaenda tuoge, tunatengeneza kiwanja hapa, tutakuwa tunafanya mazoezi jioni.
Ikereka rĩa mbere rĩa kazi mtaani rĩandĩkithirie makĩria ma Mbeu njithi 1,600, no gũkinyĩria rĩu nĩ makĩria ma Mbeu njithi 3,600 mandĩkithĩtio mũbango-inĩ ũyũ. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njeri wa Wambui.